Good morning, students. Now we are starting the next question of exercise 5.2. Question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. Okay, now we are doesn't need to find any different thing. Okay, it's the same question that we have studied earlier. Okay, just like your roll number cannot be a fraction. Okay, your roll number can be 1, your roll number can be 2, but your roll number cannot be 1.5, or your roll number cannot be negative. Just like that, minus 150, if this is the term of the AP, okay, then its number n must be any integer, positive integer. Okay, you can use different logics for that. Now see, this is the first term that is confirmed. A is equal to 11. D, the difference between them is 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. Okay, now if we take this as the term of this AP, it means it will be the Tn, nth term. Then it will surely possess a space. Okay, it will have a number of term. Okay, 50th term or 100th term or whatever term it will be. So it will have a n, value of n. Now use this formula again, Tn. Same formula, A plus n we have to find. So n minus 1, A plus n minus 1 into D. D is minus 3 is equal to minus 150. Now take this 11 into right side. Plus 11 becomes minus 11. So minus 150 minus 11. Here n minus 1 into 3, and it is positive and it is negative. So plus minus becomes minus. Now minus 150 and minus 11, that is minus 161. So let us write it here. Minus 161, and here it was n minus 1 into 3, and here it have minus. So minus and minus get cut. N minus 1 becomes 161. This plus 3, sorry, this 3 is in multiply, so it will change into divide. Now n minus 1 equal to, now see, 161 it cannot be divisible by 3 because it is not in a multiple of 3. Okay, it means that it will be, the answer will be in point. Let us divide it. 161 divided by 3, if we do it, 3 5s are 15, 0. Okay, or let us do directly. 53 into 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. 159 is closest. Okay, because if we take 54, then it will be 162. It will be bigger than this. So 3 and 53. Okay, that is 159. So 2 will be remaining. Okay, now if I take point here and 0, 3 6 are 18. 2, so it will again come 666. So it is 53.66. Take this one here, it will become plus 1. So 54.666. Now we have already discussed that it is like a roll number. It cannot be in point. Okay, it cannot be in fraction. Okay, so this is not possible. This is not possible. Okay, so the original question was check whether the minus 150 is the term of the AP. Then answer is no. So answer is no. Minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Okay, as simple as that. Now this is the next question, 7th question. Find the 31st term of an AP. We need to find the 31st term. It means T31. We need to find this. Of an AP whose 11th term is 38. Now 11th term means T11 is 38 and 16th term means T16 equal to 73. Okay, now to find any term, we know the formula of Tn, a plus n minus 1 into d. Now this is n, 31. We need to find a and d, means we need to find two things, a and d. Okay, now how to find d? First of all, now we know the formula, common formula for d is Tm minus Tn upon m minus n. Let's say Tm is T16 minus T11. Then we will have here m minus n, means 16 minus 11. Okay, now T16 is what? 73 and this is 38. So 73 minus 38. So here we will have d equal to 73 minus 38. Okay, this is 73 minus 38 upon 16 minus 11. Now 16 minus 11 means 5. Okay, now we will do 73 minus 38. 10. 10 3s are 13. 13 minus 8, that is 5. Here we will take 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 35 divided by 5 is 7. So first of all we have D as 7. Now we need to find A. For that we can use any of these two. Let's take this. T11 equal to 38. T11 equal to 38. Now we know the formula of Tn, a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n. N means this 11 minus 1 into d. D is this 7 equal to 38. Now we need to find this A. 11 minus 1 is 10 into 7 is equal to 38. Okay, now 7 into 10 means 70 equal to 38. Now take this 70 here, 38 minus 70. minus 70, that is I think minus 42 it will be. Okay, now we have the value of A, we have the value of D. Now we need to find the value of T31. Now let us have this T31. T31, we can use the same formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. Now A is what? Minus 42 plus n minus 1. N is this. This is n. And D is 7. So we will have minus 42 plus 31 minus 1 is 30 into 7. Now minus 42 plus 7 3s are 21, 210. We need to subtract this. So 210 minus 42. Here we have to want to have 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Here we have to cut this 0. Okay. Now if I take 10 here, 10 minus 4 is 6. I can cut and 1. So 31st term will be 168. This is our answer. I hope you can understand it well. Okay, and do subscribe my channel and comment me in this video if you find any difficulty. Okay, I will try to solve most of your difficulties. Okay, like my video and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.